Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for hotels on the Qantas application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below, then click on hotel at the top. And then you will be directed to a page to Qantas.com where you can select where would you like to go. So you should tap on this search bar and type in your destination. After that, select the check-in and check-out date. Click on the button apply, select the number of guests, and then click on the search hotels button down below. And here you will be able to find the available options. Tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and you can check out the details, pictures uploaded. You can check out on the map and the available rooms and the prices. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.